Assalamualaikum. I am Mahpara Ramzan. Welcome to my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, today my topic of discussion is dynamic mechanical analysis, or as we know that DMA as it is usually called. DMA is the one of the most important technique in thermal analysis. It can be used to study the viscoelastic properties and behavior of a wide range of materials as a function of temperature or frequency. I would like to explain here some basics introductions of dynamic mechanical analysis, and at the same time introduces a high performance dynamic mechanical analysis instruments. I also want to point out a number of important designs, features and explain their functionality. Finally, I will present several examples to illustrate the different applications possibilities of dynamic mechanical analysis. Firstly, I will discuss this slide to clear these concepts of dynamic mechanical analysis. The picture on the left side of the slide shows the wing of airplane. Here in the picture shows the wings of airplane. Clear? Shows the wings of airplane undergoing a quality test. The wing is subjected to strong deformation, stress such as acts at takeoff or landing. We will know that the red sensor in this picture, the red sensors, red sensors records the measurement data. Clear? The red sensors records the measurement data. However, large scale tests of this nature are very time consuming and expensive. Most modern constructional components are in fact subject to a wide range of stresses at different frequencies. Dynamic mechanical instrument measures the mechanical properties of viscoelastic measurements, as we know that, and measures modulus values. This helps to ensure that suitable material with the right mechanical properties are used or not. Clear? Depending on the this will be depend on what there will be depend on measurement mode. Okay, clear? Dynamic mechanical analysis determines sorry, this picture is not cleared. I will share later this picture. Now we'll discuss there. This one, dynamic mechanical analysis determines either shear modulus, which represents the G, and the shear modulus represents the G, and Young modulus, which represents the E. Clear? We will know that the diagram on the right side shows the result of dynamic mechanical analysis measurement of PET in the shear mode. Clear? The curves, curves show the G prime storage modulus, and the loss modulus show the DG double prime, which will be shown in black color line, and tan delta as function of temperature. This one tan delta, and this line show the function of temperature. Clear? This slide shows idealized DMA curve such as would be obtained. Clear? Now we will discuss the basics, definitions and the basic principles of dynamic mechanical analysis. Now we will discuss the dynamic mechanical properties are determined as the dynamic storage and loss modulus. Now I will discuss the concept of storage modulus and loss moduli. Consider that the concept of storage of modulus and loss modulus can be illustrated by considering what happens when a tennis ball bounces on the ground. when the tennis ball bounces on the ground, on impact the ball undergoes deformation and does not bounce back up to the height from which it was dropped. Clear? Part of the energy supplied for the deformation has been lost. The height that the ball reaches after the deformation corresponds to the energy the ball was able to store elastically and reversibility. Clear? Energy stored elastically और loss moduli में energy dissipated. This corresponds to the storage modulus, whereas the loss modulus corresponds to the energy that has been dissipated as heat. If material is completely elastic, it stores entire mechanical energy and involves in the deformation. The energy is released without loss when deformation force no longer acts. Clear? Remember that the energy is released without loss when the deformation force no longer acts. Clear? This, for example, in case of we will take the steel ball. Okay? In case of steel ball bounces on the hard surface, right? It bounces back up to the original height. It contrasts in an ideal viscous liquid in which the molecules are free to move, no energy stored, and the energy converted into heat. The behavior of viscoelastic materials that characterized by loss and storage components. These and other quantities can be determined by dynamic mechanical analysis measurements. This slides, okay? In these slides, I will show the illustrates to examples the concepts of dynamic mechanical analysis. This one is a different definitions of dynamic mechanical analysis, a technique in which the simple kinetic properties are analyzed by measuring the strain or stress that is generated as a result of strain or stress varies oscillate with time applied to the sample. A technique in which the change in stress or strain is measured under uniform stress or strain that remains constant across time. Basically, dynamic mechanical analysis determines changes in sample properties resulting from 5 changes, okay, from experimental variables. First one is temperature, second one is time, third one is frequency, fourth one is force, and the fifth one is strain. This picture was, I will explain. Okay, these are those materials which are investigated by DMA. The first one is polymers, elastomers. These are the instruments which are investigated by dynamic mechanical analysis. Composites, metals, alloys, ceramics, glass, adhesives, bitumen, paint and varnish, cosmetics, oils, biomaterials, leathers or skin hairs. More information about dynamic mechanical analysis. Dynamic mechanical analysis instruments apply an oscillating force, stress and record an oscillating sample response. Modulus is calculated from the elastic response, for example sample response in phase, clear, in phase with applied oscillating stress. Damping is calculated, modulus is calculated in phase and the damping is calculated from the viscous response, clear. Modulus is calculated from the elastic response and the damping is calculated from the viscous response. For example, sample response out of phase, okay? Clear, with applied oscillating stress. This is my today's lecture. Thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz.